Welcome to Times of Unearthed Chronicles. Today we're taking you beyond the golden gates of Buckingham Palace into the hidden rooms the public never sees. Secret tunnels, concealed chambers, and even a ghostly past? Stick around. You won't believe what's inside. Seki, did you know Buckingham Palace has a network of secret tunnels beneath it? Some say these tunnels connect all the way to Whitehall and Parliament. Imagine the Queen sneaking out for a late-night stroll. Okay, maybe not. But Winston Churchill reportedly used them during World War II. When the royals want a break from all the formal events, they slip into a private cinema inside the palace. That's right. Buckingham Palace has its own mini-theatre. Imagine the late Queen Elizabeth watching James Bond movies in royal style. Maybe that's why she had that epic parachute scene with 007 at the Olympics. The palace isn't just about luxury. Security is top priority. There's a hidden panic room built to protect the royal family in case of emergencies. It's rumoured to have reinforced steel walls, independent air supply, and enough food to last weeks. Now that's a royal bunker. Tucked away inside Buckingham Palace is a private chapel, a serene escape for the royals. Originally built for Queen Victoria, this hidden sanctuary is where generations of monarchs have prayed in secret. It's a peaceful retreat amidst the chaos of royal life. But not every hidden room is peaceful. Some believe Buckingham Palace has a haunted chamber. Witnesses claim to have seen the ghost of Major John Gwynne, a royal secretary, who tragically took his own life inside the palace in 1942. Strange noises, footsteps. Could Buckingham Palace be hiding more than just history? So, what do you think? Which hidden room surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more royal secrets from Times of Unearthed Chronicles. Until next time, stay curious.